Hey everyone! Today we're going to dive into a cool piece of Node.js code that connects to Google Drive and uploads a CSV file containing client data. So imagine you're working on a project where you need to store client information in Google Drive. Instead of manually uploading each file, we can automate the process using this script. Now, why is this code useful? Well, think about it. It saves us time and effort by automating a repetitive task. Plus, it ensures consistency and accuracy in uploading client data to Google Drive. So whether you're building a CRM system or managing client records, this code can be a lifesaver. All right, without further ado, let's dive into the code and see how it works. We start by loading the credentials required to authenticate with Google services. These credentials are stored in a JSON file. By loading them into our script, we can securely authenticate and access Google Drive. With the loaded credentials, we create an OAuth2 client object. This client will handle the authentication process when we interact with Google Drive API. It ensures that our script has the necessary permissions to perform actions on behalf of the user or service account. Once we have our OAuth2 client set up, we create a client for the Google Drive API. This client allows us to make requests to the Google Drive API endpoints, such as creating files or folders. Next, we generate client data that we want to store in the CSV file. This data could be anything related to clients, such as their names, emails, and phone numbers. We organize this data into JSON objects for easy manipulation. After generating client data, we convert it into CSV format. CSV, comma-separated values, is a common format for storing tabular data. We format the client data as comma-separated values, making it suitable for storing in a CSV file. Now that we have our client data in CSV format, we write it to a CSV file. This file will be named Client CSV. Writing the data to a file ensures that we have a local copy before uploading it to Google Drive. With our CSV file ready, we upload it to Google Drive. We specify the file name, parent folder, where the file will be stored, and MIME type, indicating that it's a CSV file. We use the Google Drive client to initiate the upload process. Throughout the code, we use try-catch blocks to handle errors gracefully. If any errors occur during the process, such as failing to create the CSV file or encountering an issue during the upload, we catch and handle these errors appropriately. Finally, if everything goes smoothly, we log a success message indicating that the CSV file has been uploaded successfully to Google Drive. This feedback assures us that the process has completed without any issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, we've successfully created a Node.js script that connects to Google Drive, generates client data, converts it to CSV format, and uploads it to a specified folder. This script automates the process of managing client records, saving time and effort for developers and ensuring data consistency. In conclusion, the code we've developed today serves as a fundamental building block for larger web applications. By automating the process of uploading client data to Google Drive, we've created a reusable and efficient solution that can be integrated into various projects. In a bigger application, this code could be extended to handle more complex data structures, integrate with other APIs, or be incorporated into a larger workflow involving multiple services. Its modular design allows for easy integration and maintenance, promoting code reuse and extensibility. Moreover, by leveraging JavaScript technologies like Node.js, we ensure compatibility with a wide range of web development environments and frameworks. This flexibility allows developers to seamlessly integrate this functionality into their existing projects, enhancing productivity and scalability. By understanding and utilizing code like this, developers can build robust applications that streamline data management processes, improve efficiency, and provide enhanced user experiences. Thanks for watching, everyone. And don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks again. And remember, we're always learning, so keep coding, keep exploring, and keep building amazing web applications.